Osabiti kala tubor. President Museveni nyezda bwitoro majujuleta Ottoman cabinet ke. Ida pono seuna Simon Peter Lokiris lo lemare minister lo ibokan. Araunu kwane minister ngono Ikaramoja affairs. Anuda brokin Mary Goreti Kitutu nada itoronita ikanwako kabati ni Ikaramoja. Aponida seuna ibo Florence Nambozo anuda brokin Agnes Nandutu. Konyedo itungalo Ikaramoja nyezde lekitosa kiroswi nyeli nyalao misho Kanu na Iministan Kanu.
Peter Lokiris has been the Minister of State for Ikaramoja some time. What did he leave behind when he went elsewhere to different ministries? And what did he do? I can most likely say we might continue with the status quo. Formerly they used to say Ikaramoja are not educated. There are few Ikaramoja who are educated. That's why you find the president is rotating himself among the few. Lokiris, David Fulukwal, there is another one called Dr. Limilin. These are the people the president is rotating all about. But this is now the right time. I should even tell him now that I think other than rotating within the same people, the same group, maybe this group has failed to advise him rightly. Maybe the same group has never voiced things, clear things that could be told the president clearly. Then he should look around. We have, if he wants people with PhDs, we have many. Why continue rotating within the same who are not giving us, we are not seeing anything coming out of these three people.
Well, you may have your own as a minister, and sometimes problems get solved. But also sometimes it's not a guarantee that the problems will be solved. The minister may not have all the powers on earth to fix whatever we may want fixed, because he's serving under also supervision, under instructions, under a system. What will happen is the minister will serve the interests of government. I wouldn't want to take that school of thought of heaping a burden or unnecessary pressure on the minister to deliver in order to impress. Being a son of the soil, I know he's very familiar with the challenges around, and he has fixed some of these challenges because he has a constituency. He's also a member of parliament.
Honorable Peter Lokiris will walk on the land and actually have one or two things that might be distinct that will want government to do for Ikaramoja. Otherwise, it will just be like any other placement. So I want him to make a difference. Secondly, what has always been the problem is that the ministers for Ikaramoja have been visitors, have been tourists in the region. We would like to see that Honorable Lokiris shifts the office, the ministry, from Kampala to Moroto. We can access this office at will. But without that, oh my God, it will just be same tourism. You come for 2, 3, 4 days, you go back.
Why are these people not appointing the GA as a minister ever since? Why? Because now the GA have read. They have people have read in the GA here, and they know the GA have a heart of serving people, and they are not segregative like Ikaramoja. Why is the president appointing people from the south, leaving Kotido? What's wrong? I don't see any much change there.
Today, does it mean that the Ikaramoja are now waking from sleep, so that everybody wants to have his or her own somebody representing? But we have members of parliament in all these regions. If members of parliament cannot represent them well, even if you have a minister.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Ikaramoja.